Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying the watch face down and removing the band so you can measure accurately. Use a tape measure to record wrist circumference in mm. Write down whether you like a snug or comfortable fit. Then pick calipers or a ruler to measure the watch case across the widest point. Do this now, edge to edge excluding crown. Once done, double-check units are millimeters, because case sizes are listed that way and accuracy matters for band compatibility. You next focus on the more precise measurements that determine fit. Use calipers to measure case width across, excluding the crown, and then measure lug-to-lug length to understand how it will sit on your wrist. Measure the band width at the spring bar area. That determines replacement strap sizes. Make sure to note any curved edges that reduce usable flat contact area, because two watches with the same case width can fit differently. Once measured, label each dimension clearly for comparison. You finish by matching your recorded dimensions to Apple model sizes and strap specifications. This ensures you pick a compatible band and correct case size. Install the band, adjust micro holes or remove links as needed, and wear the watch for 10-15 minutes to confirm comfort and sensor contact. If something feels off, remeasure the wrist and case. Common errors come from measuring over clothing or misreading the calipers. One key troubleshooting tip: if bands slip, check lug alignment and reseat the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.